Happy Sunday, everybody. So we're going over to Griffin's and Sons Automotive right there in Mississippi. They're having their cruise in today. I went last year, took both Mustangs. This time I'm taking the vet, taking 72 Mustang, and I'm taking the 81 Trans Am. I don't have the yellow Mustang anymore after all those years. I traded it off. So if you wonder what I traded for, I traded for the vet. So I kept the 72, which, if you're familiar with the channel, I restored this thing about 6 years ago now. And the yellow one was going to need some body work and a bunch of other stuff it was going downhill. I mean, it ran good and everything, but it needed repaint, body work, which I knew that when I got it, but it just started going down. Well, I had a guy reach out, wanted to trade this 77 vet, which you've probably seen a video on it, and some cash, of course, and we got the Corvette. So I always wanted one of these cars, and I got one. I always wanted another one of those cars, and I got one, and I already had the blue one, and I always wanted another one of these. Actually, I always wanted the 72. I had the 73, but we got it. So that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. So we're gonna go over to Griffin's and Son. They're gonna have a cruise in. A lot of cars gonna be out again, trucks, and go chill out for the day. We got some beautiful weather. We got the old LTD outside, taking a break from it, and so got the T-tops off on these two. They all cleaned up. We're gonna hit the road. All right, so letting the Corvette warm up. She's very, very cold-natured, being carbureted 383. So to get the wife, we're gonna head on over there. So I try and do as much filming as I can, get y'all some car show entering and leaving, and just enjoy it. A lot of cars out today. RT Challenger. Grand Prix. Everything is clean. Look, folks, no LS motor. All motor. This is YouTube channel. This thing is clean. All motor. No LS. Got two Grand Prix. It's clean too. Got vinyl seats. Another all motor. Blueprint. So no LS there. I think this is a SS. I think it's called an Impala. Is it the Impala SS? They only made so many of them. Camaro, Mustang, supercharger on it. Pro Charger. Mustang. Got Tillman's 429 Torino.
I'm dealing with these old common Chevys, man. It's supposed to go around here.
Deuce and a quarter. Got the dual consoles. That looks good. Big, thick white walls.
I'd probably drive it.
Impala SS. And then, you guys remember the Boogie Van? If you're familiar with the channel, this is the Boogie Van. It's been painted. Still looks the same inside. Yep. My buddy had it painted, and they were going to put the designs back on it, and the guy jacked around, never got to it, so he just went and got it. It was actually at the same shop that the Trans Am was at. Excuse me. Looks pretty good though. I think he's got the louvers on the back. Got a little paint on there. It says Boogie Van. But if y'all look at the channel, I rescued this thing probably about 5 years ago. I think 4 years ago. It had said 30 years, so you can go on the channel, look for the Boogie Van, the Chevy G20. Looks good. Back on the road after all those years. Got an RT Challenger, convertible. Look at that. Get you some of that. Actually, that is the same wing as a Mustang. It's a little taller. Here's something coming. Sounds like a short wheelbase Chevy truck. Yep, that's what it is. Short wheelbase Silverado. C10. Clean. Lowered. Nice interior. Hearse shifter. Wood grain bed. And of course, I got the Three Amigos out. Got a 55 Chevy.
That's my favorite. That white.
No LS swap. Slick. It's a high console we got in there. You're gonna have your arm way in there.
To let it down. Look at what we got. Yes, I ain't even pay no attention.
C10. C10 truck. Like a 49 Ford. I mean Chevy. Don't beat me up, Chevy guys. Now this is LS swap, and that's what Griffins do here. They do a lot of LS swaps. So most of these trucks up here are LS swaps. I think they done all of these. These were customers. and they do a real good job. I mean, you don't see no wires, nothing. So let's swap with a works for Griffins. See how clean that is? That's what they do. Got AC, everything. A lot of cars, a lot of trucks. Still pulling in, a lot's gonna get packed. Porsche. How you doing there?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Charger. Vet. I love seeing I know you guys love LS swaps, but I just love seeing cars with the old cast iron blocks, cast iron heads. Some of them. This one's got BRO heads on it, I think. Can't really tell. No, it's got Bronex heads on it. If I'm saying it right. Broex.
Museum, electric guy.
This is a Chevelle. It looks good. And you got the tire cover. Says SS. Now this thing here is the Wheelie King. It does some hellacious wheelies. Got a lot of power back here on the back. Dual carburetors. Roll bar. I've seen this thing in action. It would do some hellacious wheelies.
Rick Bendinelli, and he's still around. Okay. So he did it.
327 convertible Impala. That looks original seat because it's got the tear in. But Impala. Convertible. We got a Nova SS. This thing's slick. I've got 5-speed trimming. Apollo wagon. This looks original. Like a 327. This thing is slick. This thing's slick too. I think this is part of the Memphis Street Rods. A gold car. This wagon. It looks real good. Yep. Those wheels set it off. Probably got the seat that folds up in the back. It's got speakers back here. But good looking car though. Even got AC on it. Is that the General Lee? Oh, we got the General Lee that just went down through there. Went down through there somewhere. Lee over there. Now, how many of those you see? Not many General Lees. I say we're down here in South Haven, Mississippi. They're gonna run out of room. That's why I got here early. We got some good spots. Here he comes. Here comes the General Lee. General Lee riding around through here. Man, it's gonna be packed, and I'm glad I got here early. Seen before. Chrysler Lancer. That General Lee, I gotta get over and take a look at it. Got the old General Lee here. You won't see very many of these, even though it's a clone, but anything with the General Lee. The wheels on there. I guess that's either Bo Duca over there. No, none of them are dead. That's one of the criminals that the Dukes of Hazzard caught. But this thing is slick. Yeehaw! What else we got over here? That looks like a, what is that, a Bel Air? Might be a Bel Air, might be a Impala. I can't see from over here. Looks like an Impala. Yep. 4-door. All the 2-doors are gone. You gotta get a 4-door now. Got another Impala. Donk. It's pretty clean on the inside. I'm gonna have to give me a console. Everybody got these consoles. Well, my car's got consoles. I forgot. That's a slick Impala there. Sorry, the sunlight's a little bright. It's a real sunny day today. But I knew it was going to be packed. That's why I wanted to get here early, because a lot of cars. A Ford truck. That's like it's like a pearl green. It's F1. Got the ostrich skin interior, power windows, probably vintage air. Ford Bronco. GMC. Another GMC. This must be GMC lane. We got some kind of Ford pulling in. This one's all original here. Original straight six. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
That's interesting.
Got a Corvair with the rear engine, air cooled, flat, 6-cylinder, dual carbs. This thing's slick too. Corvair, Sweet 32. How's it going now?
All right, how you doing?
All right. Slick. Willis, 1935 Willis. Sweet. I got 4-speed in there. Yep. Looks like what we got over here is a Crown Victoria. You don't see very many of these. Hey, hey! It's supposed to be over here.
Man, they ran out of spots.
Just roll on down right here.
That's what I wanted to do, but if I did, I would have pulled straight forward. I couldn't
Yeah.
maneuver around. I said, I'm going to go ahead and park over here. Because it's about 6 of my partners that got square by it.
Oh, they coming?
That's the one of my partner right there. He got
What's that, a Vega GT?
Vega 76.
Oh, Vega sounds good. The Chevy truck sounds good too. How many Vegas have you seen? Like I said, they're gonna be out here today. It's a beautiful day. This truck right here. Strictly business. It looks totally different when I seen it last time.
Yeah.
It looked real good. See the tag he got on there? I don't play 911. 357. Interior done on it. I didn't see the long wheelbase 1500. Like I was saying, that Victoria looks good. Probably a 292. I don't think that's a 352, probably a 292. Camaro Z28, and it's not LS swapped. The LS guy's gonna hate me by the end of this video. There's nothing wrong with LS, I'm just joking. It's just a lot of people like to keep it traditional. It's the only way you ride these cars, T-tops out. Another Camaro. This one is LS swapped. Cadillac, Barracuda. few. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some more coming in. So like a SVT Lightning. Well, they got free food inside, so I'm fixing to go get me some free food. And I'll holler at y'all later. Yep. Both of them run. Cutlass. Dooley.
You ain't nobody,
Camaro. It's a LS swap. Well, that's a clean LS swap too. Dooley, Vega. Got the 6-speed trim it in it. H2 Hummer. Got our imports over here. It's like an Infinity, what is that, a G35, I think it's a G35, G37, that's what it is. Toyota. Looks like we got a vet over here. That might be a 76. This has got 76 on it. Convertible LeSabre with the 100 spokes on it. Got cars on the street too. Oh, the Duster?
Yeah. I got the same hood scoop I got on my truck.
It's like a track car there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big check on it in that motherfucker. Yeah,
Yinko, I don't know if it's a clone. Yep. I don't know if it's a
I
clone.
seen this car here over my friend. I was showing his house. He was staying on the corner from me.
Uh-huh.
He was over his house. He was doing something to it one time. It might be a thing.
Oh, that's Keith's Duster.
They finna.
Yeah.
It's a project car. It's getting ready.
Yep.
We got a long way to go in this motherfucker, you know. Yeah. Long way to go.
Got a Duster down here. Oh, they are a lot. They are steady coming in. How you doing now? Barracuda. This yours? Oh, okay. Has it got the pistol grip? Nope. I think I got those cars down there, but yeah, they down here today. They steady pulling in. Huh? Yeah.
You don't find them too hard. You find a challenge much faster than you find a two.
I used to have one of these.
What's it, 53, 54?
I think it's a 53 custom line Ford.
Yeah.
Clean. Got the see-through tachometer as the sunlight come in through the tack. Big white walls on it. Things sound good. Sound real good. Cadillac, I mean not Cadillac, Sabri. That thing is quiet. Corvette got the side pipes on. This is 6-speed. Truck camming right there. Yeah. Truck sounds good. There's a lot of trucks and cars out here today. Duster. Thought he was gonna come by. Things sound good though. get all the way up there. It'll get all the way up there.
I want to kind of do that. We did that little spot. Thought that was a background. I'm all on you.
C10, here's a C10.
I'm ready to do it.
We got a car show across the street too. We'll go over here and look at the cars, the trucks across the street. If we can get by there. Traffic is super busy. So we want to get hit. Looks like we got a Bonneville over here, 4-door Bonneville. Oh, I didn't see all these dunks over here. Where they come from? Dunk Central over here. Man, they pulling cars out of the woodworks. I didn't even know they were even here. That thing camming too. Got convertible dunks over here. Stuff everywhere. That's all the good stuff. Well, nah, some of the good stuff. Oh, Monte Carlo sounds good. That C10 truck. They pulled stuff out of the woodworks today. We'll check out those dumps in a minute. One of them was an Oldsmobile Delta 88. Yeah. Like I said, Griffins, they do a lot of LS swaps. They're real good at it. Everything looks nice and clean under the hood. Let's go over here and look at these dumps. Man, it's hard across this road though. Don't think about it. It's Sunday, everybody out cruising, and hard to move around. There's SS Monte Carlo up there too. We're gonna look at these convertibles, and then I guess we'll hop back across the street. I think that's that. Something cranked up. Might have been that dunk. Like I say, it's hard to get across the street though. Oh, they all remote start. Yep. Guess we'll get by there someday. It's hard. We'll take a run for it. Delta 88. Got the chrome outrocks on that. That look good. Metallic, like a metallic blue. Yep. Got another Caprice. This is giving me the Florida, Miami vibe here. Yep. Got a S10 on bags. Got another Impala over here. Convert. Tasmanian Devil. Yep. That's that dunk that's leaving. Get you some of that. Get you some of that. We left two big black marks. Throwing rocks everywhere. What, a V6? I guess you gotta hurry up and cross the road when you can, cause you will get hit. What's that, SS Monte Carlo hiding out way over there. I guess we'll go look at that as soon as I cross the street again. Don't want to get run over. We got cars hidden out. So there's so many cars out here. Now this thing is clean. SS Monte Carlo. Probably LS swap. Maybe. Let's do it with the bags again. That's slick. He gonna drag that truck. Anyway, I'm gonna get back across the street, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I say, there's so many cars and stuff out today. Griffin's is a well-known shop in South Haven, Mississippi for doing LS swaps and other things. So y'all got anything need to be LS swapped or anything worked on, you can check with Griffin's. I don't know their prices. I've heard some good things about them. I know they do some good work. But what's this here? C10, short wheelbase, C10. That's my buddy's Monte Carlo. I worked on that thing some years ago. It's got a 4.3 in it, but that is a clean Monte Carlo, just all stock. I put a V6 in it out of a late model Blazer. Gave it a lot more horsepower. But yeah, they got the cars. There's some cars over there, some trucks over there. I don't feel like walking all the way over there. But yeah, Griffin's Automotives, or Griffin's and Sons. Y'all need anything, y'all holler at them. And I think that's that Oldsmobile. Sound like it. Trying and get some pictures too. There's so much to look at. People be getting out here so fast. So sorry if I've been on a lot of cars for a long time. I'm trying to take pictures and video at the same time, because they come in for a little bit, then they leave. It's an old Ford. That's an old Chevy. Got a Challenger finna pull out. I like the car show pullouts. That's the best. Who will be the next contender? I know one thing, South Haven police don't play around though. I'm surprised they ain't down here hiding out. I'm waiting on somebody to get stupid, but I don't know. But we'll see what this Challenger gonna do right quick. And I'm gonna get on back across the road over there. That Caprice, I mean, it's not a Caprice, it's a Delta 88. This was sweet. There's just so much traffic out here today. Traffic everywhere. You don't see a lot of them Delta 88s, rural 88s. Get you some of that. All right, well, I'm gonna get back across the street.